Now, Tashayla, I'm making you your own video right here. I have never seen an error like the one that you showed me, but you should be coming in and right mouse clicking, choose new folder. All right, looks like you already did that. TS Kelvin HOTS. All right, so you come in there, that's where you're going to put all three of your projects. All right, so I'm going to open up Visual Studio, and I'm going to very quickly make the three projects and show you what it should look like. So create new project. I'm going to say here console app.net framework, and I'll call this hot 1-1. And then as far as where I'm going to put this, it should be put into the folder called TS Kelvin HOTS, and the name of the solution should just be HOTS. All right. So now in here, if you look in the folder that I created, you now have in here a folder called HOTS, and in there you've got another folder called Hot 1-1. Now let's pretend that you've already created that project. All right, so I'm going to hope that you already created the project. So I'm going to do a file. In fact, we'll put in here console.writeLine project 1. All right, and then read line. Now I should be able to run this and it should say project 1. Don't know why. Let's try it again. There it is, project 1. In fact, let's change it. We'll call this hot 1-1. All right, I'm going to save this and I'm going to run it again, and I should get hot 1-1. There it is. All right, so we've created our first project. I know that's not what you're supposed to do, but I'm just, for now. So then when you want to create the second project, you go up to the solution, not to the project, to the solution. You right mouse click on it, you choose add, new project, and again, you will choose console app.net framework, and this one will be hot 1-2. All right. And again, I'll put the same stuff in here. So I'll put console.writeLine hot 1-2 and then a console.readLine. Now I have to let the system know I want it to run this project. So I right mouse click on the project and I choose set as startup project. Now when I run it, I should see hot 1-2. So now I've got two projects in here. File, save all. And I'm going to do one more time. So I'm going to come in here and right mouse click on my solution, choose add new project, and this one will again be a console app. This will be hot 1-3. There it is. So again, just so there's something in there, I'm going to have a console.writeLine, and this will say hot 1-3. And I'll have a console.readLine. All right, file, save all. I'll make sure that that's my active project. Right mouse click on it and choose set as startup project. Run this and it should say hot 1-3, and it does. So I now have all three of my projects are in a folder called TS Kelvin HOTS, and then there's a folder in there called HOTS, and there's a folder or three folders in there, hot 1, hot 2, and hot 3. I'm trying to run through the steps you have to do. All right, so you're the only one that I know of that's having this kind of a problem. Hopefully that helped at least somewhat.